Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up two-factor on Robinhood. So make sure to download the application Robinhood, and once you have downloaded the application, open it and log in with your account, enter your PIN code, and after that you will be seeing basically this home section. So from here just go to the profile icon which is on the most right corner, and once you're on to this section, from here just click on the three lines on the upper left corner, and once you click here you will be seeing the menu option, and from menu just go to the second option which is called security and privacy. And once you click here like into the security and privacy section, you can see all these options which are available for your security: create a passkey, change password, device security, and the devices. The devices are basically all the devices on which you have logged in, and device security is basically the pin that is required immediately once you close and open the app, and the password. And here is the passkey. You can just click on create passkey, click on continue, and they will basically create a passkey which you can save in your iCloud or into your Google Drive. You can, as you can see, that I have not verified my identity, so make sure to verify your identity before adding up any kind of two-factor. So you can just create a passkey, save it, and log in with your passkey after that. And if you're looking to add the Google Authenticator, you will not be able to do it as Robinhood does not support Google Authenticator right now. However, you can just create a passkey, save it, and that will work same like two-factor on the Robinhood. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.